The power of influence can transform your dreams into reality and your passions into a lucrative career. But where do you start? How do you become someone who people trust, someone who people follow? How do you create a strong social presence that stands out from everyone else? Well, that's what I'm here to talk about today. The power of influence. How to build a strong social presence. And I'm not talking about shortcuts or tricks. I'm talking about practical tips, actionable advice, and the mysterious ideas that will make your influence soar to new heights. Let's start with the first habit of a successful influencer. Habit 1. Consistency. If you want to build your social presence, you need to be consistent in your efforts because people want to see that you are dedicated, that you are here to stay, and that you are not just a passing trend. Ensure that your content is fresh and relevant, post regularly, and show up every day. When people see that you are consistent, they will start to trust you and look to you as a source of guidance and inspiration for their own work. Habit 2. Authenticity. If you try to be someone you are not, people will smell it a mile away, so just be yourself. Let your personality shine through, and don't try to be anyone other than who you are. The more genuine and authentic you are, the more people you'll attract, which in turn will lead you to attract more of the right kind of people. So when people see that you're genuine and authentic, they will feel a deeper connection to you and your message. Habit 3. Engagement. Influencers are not just posters, they are conversationalists. They reply to comments, they ask questions, they start discussions, and most importantly, they listen. There is nothing more important than listening to your audience, understanding what they're looking for, and connecting with them on a deeper level. By the way, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content like that. So, habit 4, diversification. Make sure you don't limit yourself to a single platform or one type of content. Experiment, try new things, and reach out to new audiences. When you diversify your content and your platforms, you'll reach more people and you'll have a better chance of resonating with your audience. This will not only keep things fresh, but it will also expand your influence. Habit 5. Growth. The best influencers are the ones who are lifelong students, who are always looking for new knowledge and opportunities, and who are never satisfied with what they know. The best influences are the ones who never stop learning, growing, and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. By focusing on growth, you will be able to adapt to the changing market, and you will always be ahead of the game when it comes to your industry. There you have it, the power of influence. How to build a strong social presence. Put these habits into practice and watch your influence soar. Do as I say or do as I do, and see what you can do. These are just some of the tips you can use to help you reach your goals. In fact, influence is the game changer that can make a significant impact in your life, and you will be well on your way to building a strong social presence that people will trust and follow as soon as you implement these tips. So take action now and start building your influence today. Although you've learned valuable tips, you still face a challenge. Don't worry, there's more information that can help you overcome it. Check out this video for the missing key information you need.